Section 6, Shooting Fundamentals and Position.
Finally, we'll discuss shooting fundamentals. As previously mentioned, taking this course will not make you a great shot, only proper and safe practice will do that. Take the fundamentals taught in this chapter and practice in a safe environment with a qualified instructor.
We'll now introduce the fundamentals of pistol shooting. To shoot a pistol accurately, it's important to learn and understand the 6 fundamentals of pistol shooting. These fundamentals are position, grip, breath control, sight alignment, trigger squeeze, and follow through. We'll begin shooting fundamentals by addressing which eye is your dominant eye. There's a simple exercise to determine this. To begin, extend both arms in front of the body. Place the hands together, forming a small opening between them. Keep both eyes open and look through the opening at a distant object. While continuing to look at the object, move both hands back toward the body until they touch the face. The opening in the hands will now be over a single eye. That eye is used to see the distant object. That's the dominant eye and should be used for aiming. Position. Proper body position is essential in order to shoot accurately. Begin by facing the target squarely with the body directly in front of the target. Your feet should be shoulder width apart and your body weight evenly distributed. Your legs should be straight, your back should be straight, your head should be erect, and your arms will be fully extended. For a proper grip, keep the gun pointed in a safe direction and your finger off of the trigger. Fit the V of your strong hand as high up on the back strap as possible. Firmly grip the magazine well using your thumb and 3 lower fingers and place your index finger outside of the trigger guard on the frame. Use your off hand to cover the exposed side of the grip. Squeeze your strong hand with your bottom 4 fingers of your weak hand and position your off thumb in a comfortable position. Ensure you do not cover the back of the slide. To minimize body movement, before each shot, take a breath, let out enough air to be comfortable, then stop breathing as you fire. Breathe normally again after firing to avoid muscle tremors. If muscle tremors begin to occur, lower the pistol and take a few deep breaths. Then begin your firing routine again. Sight alignment is a relationship of the front to rear sights. The top of the front sight should be even with the top of the rear sight. The front sight should be centered in the rear sight so that an equal amount of light is visible on either side. You should focus on the front sight. It should be crystal clear, while the rear sight and target will be slightly blurry. A correct sight picture incorporates a target. Try to hold the pistol as steady as possible while holding the front sight on the target. Expect some movement, but minimizing movement will allow you to shoot more accurately. For a proper trigger squeeze, your index finger should be located so that the trigger is about halfway between the tip of the finger and the first joint. Squeeze straight to the rear in a smooth, controlled, continuous motion with minimal disruption of the sight picture. Follow through, continuing to apply all of the fundamentals we've covered up to and through the shot break. This will minimize the muzzle movement before the bullet leaves the barrel.